Hello everyone. Now I am starting with Transformation tab. Group by use first row as header and data type. Replace values already explained in previous videos. Here now starting with transpose. Transpose. Transpose operation switches rows and columns in a table or matrix. This can be useful when your data is structured in a way that you need to flip the orientation for analysis. Then next, reverse rows. This operation reverses the order of rows in a table. It's helpful when you need to view your data in reverse chronological or alphabetical order, for example. Then next, count rows. This calculates the number of rows in your dataset. It's a basic aggregation function that helps you understand the size of your data. Then next, detect data type. Power BI can automatically detect the data type of each column in your dataset. However, you can also manually set the data type if needed. Then next, rename. This allows you to rename columns in your dataset to make them more descriptive or to align with your analysis needs. Then next, replace errors. Sometimes your data may contain errors or missing values. This operation helps you replace those errors with a specified value or handle them in a way that doesn't disrupt your analysis. Then next, up and down. These are typically used in conjunction with sorting or reordering rows in a table. They allow you to move rows up or down within your dataset to adjust the order. Then next, pivot column. This operation is used to pivot a column of data into multiple columns. It's often used when you have data in a long format, e.g., multiple rows for each category, and you want to transform it into a wide format, e.g., each category represented by a single row with multiple columns. Now you can observe how this are working and do the practice with sample data.